How many moles of copper are produced when 22.7 moles of iron are used? So the first step is to balance my equation. So I'm going to take a minute and do that. Now that I have a balanced equation, I'm looking for my given and my target. So I see that I am given 22.7 moles of iron, and I'm trying to find how many moles of copper. So I'm going to take my given, and I'm going to start my dimensional analysis with my given. I do not want my answer in moles, so I'm going to cancel, or I don't want my answer in moles of iron. So when I'm looking at the ratio between moles of copper and moles of iron, I'm going to write moles of iron on the bottom so that I can cancel those units. I go up to my balanced equation and I see the coefficient of 2 tells me there are 2 moles of iron for every 3 moles of copper. Cancel the units that I can. If I stop at this point and solve the problem, then my answer would be moles of copper, which is exactly what my target is. So at this point, I'm going to stop. I'm going to do the math, which is multiplying across the top. And then I'm going to multiply across the bottom. And now I'm going to divide. And I look back at my original problem, and the number that I'm given is in 3 sig figs. So I'm going to express my answer in 3 sig figs, which is 34.1 moles of copper.